What's up guys, I'm in the person of Maxwell from IT Solutions. In this video I'm going to teach you how to fix bad sectors on your drive, be it your hard drive, your pen drive or your SD card. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn up the notification bell for more updates from IT Solutions. First of all, let's look at what bad sectors or bad sector on a drive means. When we talk of bad sector, it is the part of your pen drive that is damaged and is not usable, or when you use it to download anything, it is giving you problems. You cannot use that particular portion of your drive. So we are going to take few minutes to see how we can fix that particular issue when we encounter them. So first of all, we are going to download a software that we are going to use to fix this particular problem. So I'm going to open my browser. So you can open any browser of your choice, and then the address bar we are going to search for the software Disk Genius. So we search for it. Okay, so here we go. So we are going to download this particular software. So when you click on the download button to download the software that we are going to use to fix this particular issue. Okay, so here it goes. So the download starts right away. So I have already downloaded this and I'm not going to download again. So once this is your first time, you have to wait patiently for the download to complete. So upon completing, we are going to install it. So I open where the download goes. So this is the setup. So you open the setup. We have to run this setup to install it. So you check yes, and then you select the language. So in my case, I'm going to choose English. So English. Then this is the terms and conditions. Of course, we have to accept to these terms and conditions, else we cannot use. So it is checked already. So we click on next. Then we wait for it to finish installing. Okay, so we don't need the website, but launch. So we click on finish. So the software, okay, so it has opened. So what we have to do is you have to insert your pen drive, or if it is your hard disk that is giving you the problem. We have partitions. So on my left hand side, this part, we have all the partitions available. So you select the particular partition that is giving you the problem or that is not functioning as expected. So this is my external drive. Let me use that for an example. So I have to select this, and then you come top this side. Let me make it full screen. Okay, so we come up here on we locate disk, this particular, this is what I mean. So this one, then you click on it, and then we come down to look. Okay, so we find verify and then repair bad sector. So this is what we are looking for. So we click on it and we check this. Yes. Okay, so I've done this before. So for your case, I'm gonna start again. So of course, we are trying to check if there is a part of this drive that doesn't function well. So we have to click on this verify. So we are to verify if there's a portion of the drive that is not functioning well or properly. So you just have to sit back and wait patiently for the checking to be done, then we can continue. So we are waiting for the check-in to be done, then we can proceed to the next stage. Once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well and click on the subscribe button to subscribe for more videos or more updates, and also turn up the notification bell for future updates. The link for this particular application is in the description below. So you can download this particular application. Okay, so once the check-in is done, so in my case, I did not find any bad sectors or not any part of my drive isn't damaged. So assuming you have damaged parts in your drive, it is going to be listed here. In this, when you look at the ratings, we have excellent, good, normal, general, poor, severe, and then damage. So this particular red DC means damage. So you will see the portions that are damaged being listed against this list. So once you get such, then you have to check this box to repair. So when you check this box, then you click on repair. Then we accept, okay. Then we are going to confirm, and the repair is being done for you. As easy as that. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.